This one thing allowed me at 24 years old to find an 8-figure franchise and sign them up as a client. If you use these 1 to 3 things, you'll be able to cold call and reach out to franchises or multinationals that want to work with you instead of someone else that has twice the amount of experience that you have. Here's step number 1. The first thing you must do is think like a warrior and get consensus. So what you're going to do is you're going to figure out all the 8 different locations or the 5 locations or the 50 locations. You're going to get a piece of paper from Officeworks and print it, and you're going to have each of them sign it. Try to get at least 50% of them to sign. And the signing of the signature, you're going to eventually take a picture with them and the person that owns that little franchisee. And that's going to allow you to have a list of people that are bought into your idea before any money is discussed. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is you go to the head office or you send an email to the head office with a video recording saying, hey, my name is Damio Kadara. I do this, this, and this. And I've already spoken to half of the people that are under your multinational or your franchise. Then what you do in that email is you say, hey, listen, all of them love what we do, or 50% of them love what we do. And it's even better with step 1 if you have a picture with you, with them in the shop or in their restaurant or in their whatever. And then most of the time, a franchise or multinational is going to be like, damn, this person's legit. This person is creative. This person is so clever. They've been able to get upward pressure from the people that are already part of their company to buy in. They're going to feel dumb if they don't actually take your meeting, because then people that you've already met will start complaining to the head office, right? You got to do what you got to do. Step number 3 is you come with the piece of paper and the different pieces of proof, and you want to make sure that you've done a very, very, very detailed audit of how exactly you're going to help them go from where they are to where they're not. So I'll give you an example. What we did for a specific franchise that I'm not going to name, we got consensus from one venue in Hawthorne. That Hawthorne venue invited his mates from Chapel Street and then Docklands and other areas of Melbourne. We met at the Hawthorne guy's restaurant, and then collectively we applied pressure to the head office. Boom, got a meeting with the head office guy. Even though they already had a marketing team in another part of Australia, there was so much consensus and support of me. Got the meeting with the head office guy, and then the meeting with the head office guy, I literally showed him a very detailed way where if we did X in the next 6 months that he could get to Y. And when you combine all those things together, if they're a legitimate, smart, and solid franchise or multinational that are looking to grow and be, future forward or AI forward or marketing forward, you'll be surprised how many of them say yes, not even because you've got the consensus, because they're surprised that someone actually was clever enough to get into that room. I'm telling you guys, as someone who has done this and is currently doing this again for another 8 to 9 figure franchise, a few of them to be frank, this strategy works. And the kinds of deals that you can close with these guys are like 10x what you'd regularly charge another client. And this is for someone that's in consulting, whether you have an agency, whether you're a coach. This play is how you get your first 8-figure client. Now, if you like information like this, then hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. And of course, share this with a friend, because we really, really want to invest more and more content and quality into what we're creating in 2025. And we need your help to do it.